you can see is the docking of the Disney Dream 2 days before, and this footage is courtesy of the Solent Ships here on YouTube. Go check them out. He even managed to capture some amazing drone footage so you can see the ship in all its glory. Thank you so much for letting us use your amazing footage.
Moving on the ocean. We are moving, Daddy.
Hello, Dad.
We are moving.
Oh, it's because the chair's there.
We're not moving, are we?
We are moving.
We shouldn't be.
No, it's just because the water's moving.
Oh, that.
And this is our view from the veranda.
We've got a lifeboat right down there. And if you look up, you'll see people in the hot tub.
Huh? Dad. We're turning. Can you see Captain Mickey? See?
Oh yeah.
Mum, we can see Captain Mickey driving.
Can we?
Look this way.
Oh yeah, we can see the captain.
Mickey. Look at the boat along under us.
Oh look, there's a Holiday Inn.
Where? Oh, there.
Oh, we're moving.
Should I take them hike?
That's okay. Just go up like that.
Oh look, there's water above us.
You can see the waves from us turning. We're actually moving now. We're moving!
Grab the top tree. Just do like that.
We're moving. We're actually moving. Did you hit my throat then? Actually moving. Now, what's that green?
We are sailing.
Okay, no. Like, what's those?
This is another ship. Oh, they guide them.
They're little boys. Where's
Yeah,
the little
where it's-
boys?
I guess where it's shallower, so you
green thing.
don't go over there with the cruise liner.
This is a big green liner.
Yeah.
Lots of people. Hello.
Let's go.
Hi. Should we wave?
Bye.
Bye!
Losers.
Bye!
Bye.
You have to sail away.
Bye!
Cheerio.
Do that again.
Cheerio!
Do both hands.
I can't do that because I'm holding on to Daddy.
You do one hand. Wave like the Queen.
No.
How much?
Bye.
Bye, people!
Oh, come on. So,
Yeah, that's fine. We mentioned this before, but all the long distance shots of the Disney Dream you can see are from the Solent Ships YouTube channel. Thanks again. You only get 2 times 2.
okay.
Not very
Well, over there is the hotels. Have a lovely time.
Yeah.
Holiday Inn,
Guys,
Leonardo's, and then Premier Inn.
guys, I see it and bring it in.
Sure, drop it.
Oh, drop it. I got 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 it.
What's that red thing?
That's a funnel. That's the red funnel ferry, so it goes to the Isle of Wight.
In the middle, like where the cutout was.
Oh yeah, that's probably like a little like a lifeboat type thing. Look, can you see the cars going on to the ferry?
Yeah. It's cool, isn't it?
Whoa, it's windy.
It's windy. We are nearly past the crust.
Nearly past the crust.
Crust is land, by the way, if you're in reception.
Oh, how do you know this information?
Because I learnt about the earth.
Oh, you're so knowledgeable.
I see another boy.
Oh, get him out. He's put a boy in the water.
Next stop, Spain.
Yep.
Let's go.
Let's go to Espanol.
Woohoo! No, watch. Ready? Mum, ready? Woohoo!
What was the big breath for that?
It's Spanish.
Woohoo!
What, do they Spanish
Because of
breathe like
water.
that?
Yeah,
do they?
that's how they do it.
Say,
Hola.
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 That's hola means hello. Adios means goodbye.
So you can go, hola.
Me llamo Lacey.
No, ready? Hola, mi amo Lacey. ¿Y tú? That means you
Salut.
too.
Me llamo Katie.
What does salut mean?
Means hi.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.